guys, I'm Katherine McNamara from Shadowhunters. We are here at the People's Choice truck. We're handing out donuts, hanging out with fans, asking questions. It's gonna be such a fun day. Let's do this. Say hi, guys! Hey, oh my God, you have the faces! I love your room. You have the necklace and everything. I'm gonna get you a donut.
Clary is such a freaking badass. She's been through a lot. No.
Do you want to? Oh my God! Hi! How are you? So nice to meet you. We're gonna do some trivia. Are you guys ready? Yeah! What is Clary and Simon's favorite coffee place?
Java Jones?
Yes! You pulled that one out! Thank you guys so much. Today has been so much fun. Don't forget to vote for your favorite shows for People's Choice Awards and watch November 11th to see the results.